why you look so dazed and confused?
I'm not dazed and confused. I'm just proud of how good my friend is at finding me stuff. So, the lovely Susan, who is behind the camera.
I am multi-talented.
Yes, at Lego Gregory R. Curie, found me from San Diego Comic-Con, the Gravity Falls collection peek. And if you probably would guess because I'm a little weird, I love Gravity Falls.
This was an amazing show, and I think this will follow for everyone similarly to the Stitch and the Pooh ones that we've done, in that I think these will get released as individual ones with a chaser, but it's going to be a nightmare to find everybody. Mm-hmm. But look at how cool the box is.
And look at the back.
So this comes with 10 characters here.
Yep, and you can see them all here. So I'm going to open up the front of it and show you all what's inside. So they have an adorable Gravity Falls thing on the inside. With
Wendy, Waddles, and the Dipper Twins.
Yep. And here are all the characters on the special edition certificate right here. And here they all are.
And look at Waddles must be the exclusive rare because
he's glittery.
Like pearl.
Yes, he's pearlescent. I'm loving the gnome. I love all of the characters. Quite frankly, I love Gravity Falls. You can't go wrong with it.
You're going to watch this tonight, aren't you?
Probably.
Do you want to open it up and give the people a quick look?
Yes, so I'm going to try to be very gentle because I do want to keep these in the box.
All right, let's give it 1 minute here.
Yes.
And here they are out of the box. Rachel did such a good job. So do you want to...
I'm proud of myself for putting
How
them
do you
up.
want me to start these? Which one do you want to talk about first?
Well, we should probably talk about Bill Cipher first because guess what? He's at the top of the pyramid.
With his hand out there on the left, and that's so great. And this figure is so clean.
Yes, so clean. And I love Dipper and Maybelle here.
Yes.
I think they are so stinking cute. And by the way, shout out to how amazing the backdrop of this collection peek is. You can tell that Just Play and the Doorables people put so much effort into this with all of these layers of the forest on there. Now, down in the third row, we have Pacifica Northwest.
Pacifica.
Yes, we have Wendy, and we have Grunkle Stan. And who doesn't love Grunkle Stan?
I adore Grunkle Stan.
I love Grunkle Stan. In the bottom row, we have Seuss, the gnome, our lovely iridescent Waddles the pig, and you can't go wrong with Waddles.
Yep.
And finally, we have Lil Gideon.
Oh.
Yeah. Yay!
So which one is your favorite?
The gnome, duh, he's puking rainbows.
Very accurate.
Yes.
I think of mine...
Are you the Illuminati?
Bill is just a very unique shape.
You are the Illuminati. Greg is a member of the Illuminati. Do you know Beyonce?
Excuse me. Susan has connections. How you think I got you SDCC stuff?
Do you know Beyonce?
I would not introduce you if I did.
I'm offended.
Just don't check my phone under Illuminati/B.
All right. Well, I'm going to put this back in the box very gently because I do not want to wreck it. So please hold. All right. So I was able to get it gently back in the box. I want you all to tell me in the comments below which one you like the best out of this collection peek, and maybe if we're lucky, we will get these in individual blind bags in the near future.
All right.
All right. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.